This section is on car loans, so it's dealing with loan payments. Now, in the previous sections, we saved up to buy a car in the future. In this section, we are borrowing the money now. So we have the car now. So the loan amount is the present value. Many of the questions in this section will be asking for the monthly payments to pay off this loan. Because we want to completely pay off the loan, we want the future value to be 0. So here is our new formula for the loan payments, and it's quite complicated, so I'm going to be using the TVM solver. Number 1 says, suppose that you borrow $30,000 for 4 years at 8% compounded monthly for the purchase of a car. Find the monthly payments, find the total paid for the car, and find the total interest for the loan. So the $30,000 we are borrowing, and that's going to go in the present value. The future value is going to be 0 because we are trying to pay off this loan, and we are looking for the monthly payments. So the PYCY is going to be 12, and this is for 4 years. So N is 4 times 12. And then the interest rate is 8%. So if we calculate the monthly payments, we get $732.39. So that is the monthly payments. Then they want the total paid for the car. So how many of these monthly payments did we make? So this was 4 years times 12 months per year times the amount of our monthly payments. And this will equal $35,154.72. So that is the total paid. The final thing that they're looking for is the total interest of the loan. And to find that, we need to take the total paid and subtract the original amount of the loan. So the original amount that we borrowed was $30,000. So if we subtract that, we get $5,154.72, and that is the total amount of interest.